Alpha Day, this is Governor Liu here in DC. First, I want to say I miss Guam. It is so cold here. It is freezing and can't wait to get back home. But on a brighter note, I had just come back from the White House meeting with the President, the Secretary of Veterans Affairs, and the Secretary of Treasury with some very, I think, refreshing ideas. First, the President's whole focus with this administration is to speed things up. He is a man of action and wants quick response, and has actually mandated all his cabinet members to be responsive to the governors of the states and the territories. And so we will be seeing many new programs, I think, and actions by this administration to deregulate and to speed up programs. Speed up permitting is one of the biggest issues here. How do we decrease bureaucracy and regulations so that permitting doesn't take 60, 90 days, but instead 2 days or less than a week? Some good ideas that I will be sharing with, of course, Lieutenant Governor Josh, who's been the lead in decreasing our permitting processes to speed up projects and to speed up, of course, our economy as a result of that. The other, I think, very, for me, exciting news is that the Secretary of Veterans Affairs, Secretary Collins, met with us in a workshop, and I had brought up our vision of co-locating CBUG with hospitals. And this is exactly aligned with his vision of how do we provide more healthcare access, more healthcare quality for our veterans. And the idea of building a hospital and the CBUG, a veterans clinic, next to the hospital is something that he wants to make a reality. So he's very supportive of our proposal, and we'll be also discussing ways to finance and fund that proposal. Additionally, the U.S. Treasury is looking at deregulating finance and banking regulations, because the focus there is to revitalize community banks. As he sees, and this administration sees, that community banks and community banking is actually the backbone of financing in the states and territories. So that's also something that I will be monitoring very closely, as they are supportive of strengthening and revitalizing community financing. There is more to come tomorrow, but I am very excited about the productive meetings that we have had here so far. Met with the Secretary of Interior, Secretary Doug Burgum, and he is excited about our idea of building the hospital. And again, we'll be working very closely with him to see what kind of help and support that this administration can give to Guam in our campaign for better quality for our people. Thank you, and stay tuned.